In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Remitly transfer history. First, open your Remitly account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside the app or on the website, you can go to your account and look for your transaction activity or transfer history section. This is the area where Remitly keeps a record of the transfers you've made, including both completed and past transactions. Now, this is the important part to understand. If you have already done some transactions in your Remitly account, there is currently no direct way to delete that transfer history. You can view your transaction history at any time, but Remitly does not provide an option to manually remove, erase, or hide individual transfer records from your account history. So if you are expecting to find a delete button, a remove option, or some kind of edit feature beside your past transfers, you most likely will not see one. That's because the platform keeps those records as part of your account activity. This is common for money transfer services, since transaction records are often maintained for account reference, tracking, and security purposes. If your goal is simply to review your previous transfers, you can still open the history section and look through the details there. You may be able to see information such as the date, amount, status, and recipient details for each transfer, depending on what Remitly shows in your region and version of the app. But again, while the history is visible, it is not something you can delete yourself. If you're concerned about privacy, one helpful tip is to make sure you log out of your account when you're finished, especially if you're using a shared phone or computer. You can also secure access to your device and your Remitly app with a passcode, fingerprint, or other security settings if those features are available to you. That won't delete the history, but it can help keep your account information private from other people who might use the same device. So to sum it up, you can open your Remitly account and view your transfer history, but if transactions are already there, there is no built-in option to delete them. That's the current limitation users should be aware of when managing account activity in Remitly. And that's all you need to know about deleting Remitly transfer history.